Hi, this is Jason from the QuickBooks team. If you sell taxable products or services, QuickBooks helps you track how much sales tax to charge. If you use this feature, you should know how much you need to pay when you file your state and local sales tax. Let's go over how to set up sales tax. Select Taxes. Note that your navigation may look like this. Enter your business's address. This address sets up your sales tax rates. If this is already in your company settings, just confirm that it's correct and select Next. Most businesses only collect sales tax on sales that happen in their state, county, or city. If that's the case, select No. But if you're required to collect sales tax in other areas, such as different cities or states, choose Yes here, and then select all of the agencies that you collect sales tax for, and select Next. You can start invoicing customers at any time, but let's set up the sales tax payment schedule first. Every state has different requirements for how often you need to make sales tax payments. In this example, the frequency for filing taxes depends on the average amount of sales tax you collect on a yearly or monthly basis. Remember, your state or local laws might be different from each other, so be sure to check with your accountant. Now, select the Filing Frequency drop-down menu and choose how often you file sales tax. If the filing frequency is different for other rates and agencies, don't worry, you can assign separate filing frequencies to each of them. Select Save. This is where QuickBooks keeps track of the money you've collected from customers on sales where you charged sales tax. The top section always shows how much you owe in the current filing period, and how much has been collected so far for the next upcoming filing period. If you forgot to add an agency you collect sales tax for, or if you just need to change something, select Sales Tax Settings. From this screen, you can add tax agencies, or edit the tax agencies QuickBooks set up for you earlier. Use this window to update your filing frequency, or choose a different start date. The start date is the date you want QuickBooks to start tracking your sales tax for you. If you've made any changes, select Save. You can also add a custom sales tax rate if something you collect wasn't automatically set up. Just choose whether it's a single or combined rate, the name of the sales tax, and what agency you collect it for. Now you're ready to set up sales tax for your company.